And now Kenya is among African countries keen on a public-private partnership to fund the development of new trypanosomiasis drugs and vaccines. AU-IBAR Director Huyam Salih says animals have developed a resistance to the current drugs and there is a need to fund research for new drugs and technologies. Benson Rioba reports.
Kenya is among 38 countries that are affected by trypanosomiasis, with 50 million cattle in the continent at risk of contracting the disease. African Union says the disease kills 3 million livestock annually, with farmers losing over 400 billion shillings annually in revenue. Despite the continent spending a combined 155 billion shillings to contain trypanosomiasis, the African Union says livestock have developed resistance to existing drugs. The African Union is rooting for public-private partnerships to fund development of new drugs and vaccine to control the disease.
We need to make sure that we are able to innovate and to mobilize resources, also not only for the drugs, but also for having trials for vaccination against this disease.
AU member states have developed One Health Animal platform that will assist in data sharing and animal disease surveillance to contain the pests.
Platform for sharing the collected data, to analyze it, to do modeling, and then to support the member states with the feedback that will be contributing to the decision and based on the One Health intervention.
I've looked into what are the key actions that are not really being addressed extensively, and we realized that one key action is data. The lack of data has continued to drive an uncoordinated efforts on anything that we have to do.
23% of Kenya is fly infested, with the pest responsible for 18 billion shillings lost annually in the livestock subsector.
3% of Kenya is infested with tsetse, and this is a big constraint on our livestock sector.
Benson Rioba reporting for Easy Friday.